Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the March project pen update and I am so excited because I did finish some products and I do have some swap outs. So let's start with primer. I have two in the project pen. The first one is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is the mini one and I did finish it up. And then I have the BB Boomer from Missha. I did mark it again. I'm gonna put a close-up on the screen. It's not done. In here there is so much product, I don't know how, but yeah, it will take a bit longer to finish up. I don't really like this one, so that's a point as well. I am applying a very small amount, but I'm happy with my progress. I'm happy that I finished this one up. I will be done with this one probably in like 2 months maybe, so I think I did a pretty good progress overall. Next, for foundation, I have this one. This is actually a skin tint. It is the Essence Skin Tint Hydrating Natural Finish. I'm always mixing this one with the Makeup Forever foundation because this is too dark, this is too light, so they are perfect for me right now. And I think I'm gonna finish the Makeup Forever one before finishing the Essence one because I feel like I have so little left in here, which is exciting. Sadly, the combo of these two is decent, but it doesn't look the best on my forehead. It is just a bit too oily. I think it is this product probably is not the best out there. So overall I don't love this one, but I'm gonna keep it at least 1 more month in the project pen just to see how I feel, and in April maybe we will declutter it or maybe it will be done, who knows. But yeah, for now it is staying in the project pen and I did use it a million times. Another product that I used a million times, it is the Natasha Denona concealer. This is my favorite one. It is so nice to have it in the project pen and I did use it practically every day, so I'm sure that I did the progress, but it is pretty new in my collection, so we are not able to see a big jump. Next we have powder and I finally finished up the NYX HD finishing powder. It's not the best setting powder, but to blur the edges and stuff like that, it's okay. It's a nice powder overall, but it's not my favorite. I prefer loose powders, and right now in my collection I have this one and I'm gonna put it in the project pen. It is the Essence Brighten Up Banana powder, and this one I'm gonna use it the same way, just to blend the edges, maybe under the eye just to brighten up a bit, so stuff like that. But I'm gonna use a loose powder first, so this one will be the next in the project pen. Actually, for bronzer I do have a fun update, but it's not related to the project pen bronzer. This is the Fenty bronzer. I love it. I did use it a bunch of times, but right now it's too light for me. I do have a bit of self-tanner, so this shade probably will be too light for the whole year. So I'm gonna use it up, but first I need to place underneath it a cream bronzer. That was the way I used it. Even today I used for the last time actually the Rare Beauty bronzer. I did finish this one up. Today actually it did scratch my skin, so I decided to just consider it done. I'm not gonna take the product from here and just, it's too messy and it's not necessary. I do have other products to enjoy, but I did finish this one up. I'm so happy. This is the second one I'm finishing up, so I cannot recommend this Rare Beauty cream bronzer enough. I know that they released the liquid contours, but that seems just a bit harder to work with, so I already know that I prefer a product like this, so I'm very happy that I finished this one up. The bronzer from the project pen, I did use it a lot, but I didn't hit pen yet. For the blush we have the Benefit Shellie. I did use it. I have it on my cheeks today. It is stunning. I really enjoy it, but I bought so many blushes that I did use others as well, so this one will stay in the project pen, but there is no a big update on it or something like that. For highlighter I decided to put the BH Cosmetics Sun Flex powder highlighter in the project pen. This sadly it's very broken, but for this one I put a number of uses. The goal is 30 and I did use it already 9 times, which is pretty good. I love this highlighter. It's just a great formula overall. It's very easy to apply as well. I just use the Nabla highlighting brush, put it on the cheeks. It is blending itself, so love this highlighter. It is a great product overall, but sadly BH Cosmetics is, I don't know, they are maybe a brand still, but I'm not hearing any thing about them. They are just like a ghost brand. For the lips, I have the E.L.F. Cream Glide Lip Liner. I have here the shade Truth or Bear. Look how tiny this is. This is a baby lip pencil. It was pretty small from the beginning because they are not offering a good amount of product. It is like $3 or something, so very affordable, and it is very creamy, so in general it is pretty easy to finish up. So I think this will be the last month for it. I have a very strange opinion about it because it is smeary, it's not lasting that long, but it looks so beautiful on the lips. I have no idea why I do love this one that much, but it's beautiful on the lips. Can't recommend it enough. It is very affordable, but it's not very long lasting. For the lipstick of my lifetime, the Shellie Tilbury, I did use it this month like 4 times or something around that. It's stunning. I love it. Will I be able to finish it up this year? I hope so. It's so hard to finish up a lipstick, and I really like changing my lip combo every day. So yeah, at this particular moment it is pretty hard for me to use it every day, but it looks so nice with the lip liner, so it is a great combo. I'm trying my best. And lastly, for a gloss, we have this is Milky gloss from NYX. This is very old, and I actually just filmed a declutter. It will be live a bit later, but I decided to declutter my Natasha Denona gloss as well. That is pretty old because it is time for it to go, and it looks in here a bit separated, and you can see the glass, so it is clear that I used a really good amount from here, and it is a pigmented gloss, so you are applying a pretty small amount of it. So I'm gonna retire this one, and I'm gonna introduce into the project pan another pretty old gloss that I absolutely love. And in this one as well you can see some cracks, so it is clear that I don't have that much left in here. So maybe, who knows, maybe if I'm using this one 1 month or 2, maybe it will be done. This is the Nimya Spill the Juice Lip Gloss. I have here the shade She Said What. So, I mean, she said what? So this is great. I really like it. It is a nice juicy gloss with a bit of shimmer, but it is so beautiful. I forgot to mark it, so here we go. I think I have a very small amount of it left, so that's the reason I put it that low. I'm so excited to have this one in the project pan. It is a great product. This was everything. I'm very happy with my progress. I finally finished the powder from NYX because I started this one in like 2024, I think in the beginning of the year actually. So that's nice, and overall I'm very happy with the project pan items. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.